Hello guys, this is Phoenix Storm's EMS coming back. Thank you guys for watching this video. I very much appreciate it because not very many people watch my videos, and probably because my videos are bad quality. So I apologize for that. This is going to be a severe thunderstorm watch for Maricopa, Gila, and Pinal. It was just issued like 10 minutes ago. This is the third watch that I've gotten this year, which is really rare. We usually get one a year, but this is 3. And, well, let's get on with the video. Severe Thunderstorm Watch number 653.
Includes the following counties in Arizona: Maricopa and Pinal. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 653 has been issued from 2:45 p.m. Mountain Standard Time until 10 p.m. Mountain Standard Time for the following counties in Arizona: Maricopa and Pinal.
So that is the watch. Please like and subscribe and comment down below. Thank you for watching my videos. See you guys later.